Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. So my YouTube channel has been kind of dead for a while due to me not being able to record my repaints because I repaint so infrequently and not on a schedule. And after my last repaint video, I made a second toy Instagram account to post about my collection and hunt and stuff, and that became my main priority. But as a last-ditch effort to try and keep this channel alive, I wanted to merge Opalescent.toys with Opalescent.custom.dolls to provide more content to YouTube, such as doll restyles, doll unboxings, doll reviews, doll hunts, you know, all of that good stuff. This way I'm also able to give content to the people who don't have Instagram or TikTok and don't follow me on my other platforms. So without further ado, I'm officially back from the grave and giving you the first ever doll review on this channel, and the first video of Opalescent.toys. About a week ago, on complete accident, I found all the Generation 3 Monster High dolls at a Macy's. It was kind of surreal finding them all in person, and I picked up one of every character except for Deuce, Gulia, and Toralei because they're exclusive to other stores. But just for today, we're going to look at Claudine, Cleo, and Frankie. And because she's the new main character of Monster High, we're starting with Claudine Wolf, daughter of the werewolf. School is back in session, and the Monster High ghouls are showing up in scream-tastic style. Claudine's fierce look is something to totally howl about. Her animal print overalls are totally clawsome, while her sneakers are the skulltimate in sporty style. On the back of the box, we can learn a little bit more about the character, such as the monster type, the monster's must-haves, and the monster's pet. Last on the box is the barcode for anyone who wants to go hunting for Claudine. The new Monster High packaging is quite easy to open. It's only held together with 2 pieces of tape. Claudine has big brown eyes with purple and blue eyeshadow, and the catch lights in her eyes are in the shape of a crescent moon. She has a nude lip color with painted fangs, she has some freckles scattered across her cheeks and nose, she has a painted wolf's nose, and some painted baby hairs. On the side of her face we can see 2 sculpted tufts of fur, which are used to help hold her glasses in place. She has sculpted wolf's ears with tufts of fur inside of them, black crescent moon earrings on one ear, and a black studded cuff on the other. Moving down to her clothes, Claudine is wearing a long sleeve top with crescent and full moon patterns all over it. Over this she has animal print overall shorts with the moon phases in the center. To complete the look, she's wearing gold jewelry that has various images of stars and the moon phases. Her shirts and overalls are 2 separate pieces, and they all velcro in the back. Moving down to her shoes, she has black socks that don't fully encase her foot instead of chunky purple sneakers with gold detailing. Her shoes are sculpted to look like they have fangs, and on the bottom of her shoes there are sculpted paws. I think they're pretty cute. Moving on to her accessories, she comes with a purple and black fur vest and a pair of golden glasses. These are what they look like on the doll, and I think they make her kinda slay. Her other accessories include this black bag with a purple crescent moon and gold keychain, her blue moon spooky that has a bite mark out of it, a bag of Howl Puffs, her golden fur-laminated brush, her purple eye coffin, and her monster pet whose name is Crescent. All the new Monster High dolls have updated articulation, with movement at the head, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hip, knee, and a new upper torso joint. I brought out my Haute Couture Claudine for a skin tone comparison. Gen 3 Claudine is slightly lighter with a golden undertone, whereas Gen 1 Claudine is slightly darker with a cooler undertone. Next up is Miss Cleo Denial, daughter of the mummy. School is back in session and the Monster High ghouls are strutting the hallways in their screamtastic style. Cleo Denial wears royally cool fashion featuring a blue and golden dress with mummy wrap inspired sleeves and a scary chic chain belt. Her monster type is a fabulous royal mummy. Her monster must-haves are sarcophagus and her pyramid backpack. And her monster pet is named Tut. Here is Cleo out of the box. She has red lips with a painted golden streak, blue and gold eyeshadow, intricate eyeliner, yellow eyes with blue pupils, and shooting star eye shines. Her hair type is a mixture of dark blue saran, a lighter blue polypropylene, and golden tinsel. Moving on to her clothes, she has a gold and blue headband in her hair that is paired with golden triangle earrings. Cleo is wearing a one-piece outfit that is a blue and gold dress with mummy wrap sleeves. It has a printed pattern that resembles hieroglyphs, metallic diamonds all throughout the patterns, and is paired with a golden necklace and golden belt, each with painted details. Her shoes are cream and gold mummy wrap boots with a sculpted heel and some painted details. Moving on to her accessories, she has a pair of sunglasses, a burrito wrap, a sarcophagus water bottle, a teal makeup compact that can actually open and close, her golden eye coffin, a jacket with printed on mummy wrap details, her pyramid backpack that has a scarab beetle design, and her monster pet whose name is Tut. This is what Cleo looks like with her jacket and glasses on, and she has all the same articulation points as Claudine. Cleo and Claudine are the same height, but Cleo has a slightly different body type with more of a pear shape. Lastly, and my personal favorite, we have Mix Frankenstein, the child of Frankenstein. Y'all know the drill. School is back in session and the Monster High ghouls are strutting the hallways in their screamtastic style. Frankie wears an electrifying fashion featuring a plaid skirt, lightning bolt printed blouse, and a scary chic vest. Their monster type is a voltageous Frankenmonster. Their monster must-haves are an eye coffin and Screecha, and their monster pet is Watsy. And here they are out of the box. Frankie has a pale blue skin tone with yellow eyeshadow and light blush. They have heterochromia with one blue eye and one green eye. They have stitches on one cheek and a painted on eyebrow piercing on one eyebrow. They have a blue and pink barrette in their hair, and to me their hair feels like it's entirely saran. Moving to their outfit, they have lime green lightning bolt earrings. Their vest and blouse are in the trans flag color palette of white, blue, and pink. And their vest and blouse are two separate pieces. In the same colors, they have a pleated plaid skirt and a chain belt with sculpted locks that reads Frankie. Frankie has a new prosthetic leg that says Frankie and has little doodles that relate to the character. They also have stitches all over their body just like the Generation 1 version. Going down to their shoes, they have purple platform sneakers with green lightning bolt patches. And on the soles of their shoes, they have sculpted lightning bolts. Frankie also comes with a cropped varsity jacket, a sun visor from Generation 1 Scares Frankie, except this time in blue, a slice of Screecha in the shape of a lightning bolt, an electric blue eye coffin, a translucent backpack with a pink keychain, a Polaroid camera that comes with two photos, one of Cleo and Claudine in Boo York, and the other of Draculaura, Claudine, and Frankie themselves in Scaris. And lastly, we have Frankie's pet, Watsy. I actually have two of him now, so I might turn that into a pair of earrings. And this is what Frankie looks like with their jacket and visor on. The last thing I wanted to do was I wanted to do a comparison between the basic Frankie and the Ghoul Spirit Frankie. Ghoul Spirit Frankie has a shaved side and only one ear is pierced, whereas regular Frankie has a full head of hair and both ears are pierced. Ghoul Spirit Frankie also has some differences in their makeup. They have pink and blue eyeshadow, slightly pinker lips, and a lightning bolt across their cheek. Ghoul Spirit Cleo and Original Cleo look relatively the same, but Ghoul Spirit Cleo has brown eyeshadow rather than blue, and her pupils are a bit more vibrant than the original. Ghoul Spirit and Original Claudine also looked relatively the same, but Ghoul Spirit Claudine had hot pink lips and didn't have the purple eyeshadow that the original Claudine has. So just my final thoughts, I'm in love with Gen 3 of Monster High. I'm in love with all the new body types and face molds, which makes them so much fun to restyle. And just in general, I love the entire line. I can't wait to see what else they release in Gen 3. And even if you're not a huge fan of Gen 3, Mattel hasn't forgotten about you. They're still releasing Gen 1 style dolls, and there's going to be an adult show on Netflix, so I've heard, which will continue the original storyline. I know Mattel wouldn't have brought back Monster High if they knew they couldn't do it correctly, and I definitely feel like they did. I can feel all the love and effort within each doll, and it's so refreshing to finally see them back on shelves in stores. I was very small when Monster High first came out, and I only realized them when they were already gone, so it's so exciting to see them again. In this new form, with this updated fashion. I think that's all I have to say about the new dolls. So what do you guys think? Are you Gen 1 fans? Do you like the new dolls? Let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram at Opalescent.toys or Opalescent.custom.dolls, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!